Aria Blue and Smoky Gray cabinets ship with different drawer glides than our other cabinet styles. These glides utilize clips which need to be installed on the underside of each drawer. The process is simple. Determine the correct orientation of the clips and attach them to the front corners as shown using the included screws. Next, press the rear track brackets into place in the pre-drilled holes. The brackets are identical, so you don't need to determine which is left or right. Fasten the brackets to the cabinet using the included screws. Slide the glides into place and snap them into the rear brackets. Attach the glides to the front of your cabinet, again using the included screws in the front 2 screw holes. Slide the drawer onto the glides until you hear a click. Use the adjustment dials located on the underside clips to adjust the drawer height to achieve even spacing. If you have multiple drawers, it is best to start at the bottom and work your way up.